Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Raja Amar on my channel RU Speaks, and we are discussing global perspectives in Pakistan studies over here on this channel. I request you all do not forget to subscribe my channel RU Speaks, as it has good stuff for you for the subjects of Pakistan studies and global perspectives, both of O levels and IGCSE. These days we are discussing the Global Perspectives Team Project Component 3. And today we have really very important topic to discuss, that is the effective evidence of action for the IGCSE team project. This is really very important, and not only for the students but also for the teachers. So everyone who is the teacher or the student of this subject must be watching this whole of the video to learn a lot. So effective evidence of action, what is exactly the presented product of the whole of the team project to the Cambridge, that is to be discussed over here for IGCSE O Levels Global Perspectives Team Project as per 2025 syllabus. This guide helps you create a strong, clear and authentic evidence of action in line with Cambridge 2025 syllabus. So this is really very important lesson today. Do not miss it. What is evidence of action? The evidence of action is a single file. It can be PDF, MS Word or PowerPoint presentation, maximum of 4 pages but not necessary, submitted by each team. Prove action was taken on the chosen issue and topic. It complements the team project report and team statement. So it means that whatever is explained over there in the team element, that this was our topic, this was our issue, we did this thing, we conducted the Google survey form, we made the social media platform usage by making the Instagram page or Facebook page, and we took the interviews of these people over there. If whatever they have given in their team element, that must be given over here in the evidence of action, all those things, right? Whatever the action they have explained that we took these actions, they must be available over there in the evidence of action. So it means that they must be correlated with the team element. And in the same way, if in the team element, if they have explained that Ahmed has done this thing, Ali has done this thing, Jawad has done this thing, and in the same evidence of action, the same students must be assigned the same task, and they should be working over there in that evidence of action. So it means that they should be having greater linkage between the overall team element and the evidence of action. There should be no ambiguity, there should be no issue, there should be no contradiction between the team element and the evidence of action. Requirements from the 2025 syllabus, that what the new syllabus says regarding the evidence of action. Previously, we used to call it the outcome, but from 2025, we're going to call it the evidence of action. So keeping in view that one, show that the action was actually implemented. Whatever the plan was made and whatever the action was decided, and that action was explained over here and showcased over here, that how whole of the action was implemented over here in the team project. Clearly link the evidence to the issue explored in the team project report. So as I tell you that whatever the things are explained over there in the team element, that should be having the clear link with the evidence of action. Then include visual or textual evidence such as photos, screenshots, testimonials, and materials created. Evidence must be authentic, concise, and relevant, and students' own work. It should not be copied from somewhere. It should not be taken from somewhere. Again, the things would move to copyright and would also move to the plagiarism. So whatever the project students are going to present, it should be their own work within that framework and within that guidelines given by the teacher. It means that the teacher should be really very much vigilant that what the students are actually doing. There should be some working log that how the things are moving for the students and regarding their team projects. Key features of effective evidence of action. What can be the key features? Number one, clearly linked to the issue. Whatever the issue is being highlighted, whatever the topic is taken, and out of that topic, what issue was taken, there should be the clear link between the evidence of action and the issue. Directly connect evidence to the chosen issue. Number two, visual proof. Use quality, time-stamped photos or screenshots showing active participation. Time stamp means that there should be some time given over there on that screenshot whenever you take it. And then team involvement, I mean the collaboration. Show contribution from all members, not just one. Brief caption. Label each evidence piece with what, where, when, and why this was taken, and contextual relevance. If digital, include engagement metrics like likes and shares if the social media platform is used like Instagram or Facebook, then the likes and the shares should be mentioned over there, that how many people liked that page or how many people shared that page to the others. Page limit, strictly maximum 4 pages. Prioritize clear and compelling evidence. So this is not, I believe this is not the restriction that the students must be explaining everything in 4 pages, may exceed in the PowerPoint presentation. Suggested structure for your evidence file. What can be over there? As it was saying that there should be the 4 slides anyways, we go with this one. Slide 1, title page with project info and 1 sentence action summary. Slide 2, describe the action, aim, and target audience, maximum 100 words. And slide 3, visual evidence, 2 to 3 photos, screenshots with brief captions. Slide 4, outcomes and impact with short descriptions and optional survey or social media stats that can be given. So I will share with you some presentation afterwards that how the evidence of action might be going, and if I show it right now, one small presentation, and here we have the team projects, and if I talk about the, at that time in 2024, it was not known as the evidence of action, but the outcome. So here you can see the student has made that the team has made this particular presentation to be presented. The other side of the report card, this was their topic and issue, investigating the effects of academic pressure on mental health of the students. It was a great topic. They introduced their topic over here and their issue over here. Introduction, 1 slide. Importance of their project, that how important the project would be. What were their objectives, that what objectives they have set to achieve. The results of their survey, and here is the link to the survey form given. So the results of survey can be seen from this Google form, and here they have given a few you can see that the screenshots of their survey results of their questionnaire, and then awareness page they made on Insta, and here are the screenshots of their Instagram page related to the same issue they were highlighting. So few screenshots they have given. Then awareness presentation, they went to the other classes to present that they highlighted their topic, their issue, and they tried to create awareness among their fellow students over there in the school, and they presented their presentation over there in the classrooms, and the evidences over here. And here are certain interviews they embedded over here, and the interview of the educational expert, and it was embedded over here and could be played. So this is how they have embedded the interviews within the PowerPoint presentation.
My name is Ryan, and today I'll be discussing these questions about academic pressure and mental health associated with that. So I think there's two classes for education. Assalamualaikum. My name is Ryan.
So this is how they have.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sarah Inspirat.
So this is how they have given the.
I am Hamid Nawaz Chauhan. I am assistant professor in social science.
So this is how they have given the interviews embedded over there in that presentation. Then over important findings, this slide, and then this was the whole of the evidence of action they have given, and this particular project got A grade for all students. And this is how you are supposed to be working with your evidence of action. So so they have given quite a number of slides, not only 4 but few. So types of action to showcase. Number 1, awareness campaign. School assemblies can be conducted, and certain photographs can be taken out of that assembly to be put in over there in that presentation. Then social media challenges, class presentations, social media campaigns, like as I told you, the Insta pages or the Facebook pages, and then the class presentations, as I have just shown you that the students were giving the presentations in the classroom. And resource development, creating flyers, booklets, infographics or videos, sort of documentaries. Peer teaching, running workshops for junior students to share knowledge. That can be another really very important evidence of action. Then community engagement, organizing cleanup drives, tree plantation, or donating donations collection. So they can be the community engagements. And then digital outreach, Instagram campaign, YouTube videos, or Facebook awareness posts. So they all can be the parts. I mean, they all are the types of action you can showcase over there as the evidence of action. Tips for success. Collect evidence actively during the action, not after. Take multiple photos of genuine student participation. Should not be plagiarized, should not be taken from some other sources. Avoid staged or unclear. Avoid stacked or unclear images. Use brief captions explaining relevance. Include only valuable evidence that supports your story. Respect privacy. Blur faces if necessary. Keep text concise. Avoid heavy paragraphs. So should be very much concise, brief, and effective and comprehensive one. What to avoid? Irrelevant or decorative images that add no value. Submitting reports instead of visual evidence. Should not be. And should not be decorative images. Exceeding the required 4-page limit. I disagree. Showing only planning without proof of action taken. Highlighting work done by only one team member, rest were just relaxing. Poorly linked evidence to the project issue. So if they are there, please revisit your project. If you are facing all these things, no. Work on them again and try to avoid all these things. Sample captions for visual evidence. These are certain captions you can give for the visual evidence, like team member Fatima distributing water saving tip leaflets at the community center February 3rd, 2025. Screenshot from Instagram page, save every drop, showing evidence, interaction, and reach. Workshop at ABC school, 40 students attended. Surveys showed increased awareness afterwards. So this is how you can put in the captions to your pictures, photographs, whatever you are putting in your evidence of action. This is all about related to the evidence of action, that how you can have very effective evidence of action for your team project. This is all about from my side regarding the evidence of action. Do not forget to subscribe my channel RU Speaks. Raja Omar signing off. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.